Ma'am, nakamute ka, baka nagsasalita ka.
Sorry. Doc RB, we are expecting 36 groups. 36 groups po na from Monday to Saturday. So, estimated number of students po nasa around 360 to 370.
So, for those who are not yet, hindi nakapasok, I'll be sending another link na lang. The
Or
rest,
most
right?
probably, Doc, some of them po kasi are in school. Baka isang gadget lang po ang gamit nila kasi nasa skills laboratory po yung most of them.
Okay. Sige po. It's okay. Para okay, i-relay nyo na lang yung message ko.
Pwede naman po. So before we start, let me introduce first Dr. RB Abonalia. So he is the Assistant Chief Nurse of Tri-City Medical Center, and he will be the one who will handle the OR and delivery room of Tri-City Medical Center. As well as Ma'am Irene. I don't know kung Ma'am Irene is here, baka po wala. But Ma'am Irene Jose is the Chief Nurse of Tri-City Medical Center who will be handling the students for who will be assigned sa general ward or gen ward po ng Tri-City Medical Center. So with that po, thank you so much po Doc RB for accommodating our students in Tri-City Medical Center, specifically po for gen ward and ORDR.
Oo. Oh my God. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes po.
Yes,
Okay.
Doc.
Allow me to start with an opening prayer. Thank you.
Our Lord God in heaven, thank you for the new day you bestowed upon us. Until this moment, we still have our borrowed life and strength from you. We worship and praise your holy name. As we continue to study your words, may you bless our students with wisdom and a heart that will follow your commandments. We humbly ask you to bless the parents of our students. May you shower your abundant blessings to each of their homes. Protect every one of us. This I pray in the most precious name of Jesus. Amen.
Good morning po sa inyong lahat. Allow me again to share my screen. Can you see my slides?
Yes, Doc.
Oo. Ayan, thank you. So again, my name is RB James Abonalia. I'm the training officer and at the same time the assistant chief nurse of the Tri-City Medical Center here in Pasig. So, our institution is located sa Pasig, sa heart of Pasig. The exact address of our institution is 269 C. Raimundo Avenue, Maybunga, Pasig City. So sa ways, later on yung mga, we will discuss it kung paano kayo makakarating ng safe dito sa amin. So our hospital is a 100 bed capacity institution, a tertiary level hospital. Let's have first the virtual tour of our institution. On the first floor, you will have the reception and the lobby. What is important here is yung logbook sa guard, because there will be a logbook for your in and out of all those students who will be affiliating with us. And also on the first floor, andyan din yung laboratory department where will you have your antigen tests. We also have the emergency room department at the first floor. Yan, so nandiyan yung radiology department. Let's go to second floor where the operating room and ICU is located, kung saan kayo magjo-duty. So, ang antayan po talaga natin, we will just have to wait me sa lobby. Okay? This is our ICU, NICU. So, we have a 10 theaters inside the operating room. Third floor is offices, admin offices, and the OPD department or the doctor's clinic. Dito kayo magjo-duty sa 4th floor nursing unit. So we have our 4th floor and 5th floor general nursing unit. So dyan kayo magjo-duty sa general nursing unit. Sixth floor is the boardroom and the conference hall that we have. So let's take a look first the mission of the Tri-City Medical Center Nursing Service Department is committed to upholding the value excuse me, of patient care services through providing a safe and quality patient care by competent and compassionate staff in accordance to always with the evidence-based practice. Nursing Service Department of the Tri-City, our vision is to become one of the leading nursing department in providing exceptional quality nursing care in the next 5 years. So, Nursing Service Department is responsible to the needs of the contemporary and ever-changing society. Our visions is our services is for the individual and family in the community to promote a healthy daily life away from any life-threatening illnesses and potential actual health threats. And of course, dedication of our jobs towards our fellow human being, to society, to God, ensuring that respect of and rights of each individual is maintained and discrimination is eliminated. Committed to work efficiently and effectively to the best of our ability in order to achieve our fulfillment of our mission and that of the profession. Development so that the healthcare services and facilities become competitive and responsive to the demands of the society, realizing the cultivate and employs full potential, competent professional practitioner and its community leaders as its all essence. Our philosophy in the Nursing Service Division is all healthcare services rendered must be indiscriminate, regardless of individual race, ethnicity, nationality, economic status, religious, political, and gender affiliations. We barely have all patients are being admitted in our institutions, regardless of this, regardless of their socioeconomic status, individual race. So, because that is also against the law of of this land, yung hindi ka mag-admit because of walang pera yung patient. Individuals are entitled to receive best possible medical and nursing care, putting consideration of his physio and socio-cultural, spiritual, and physical aspects. And all aspects of a person's, we must consider all of those. The nursing personnel should be equipped to ready to assume different kinds of roles in the healthcare services in relation to promotion and prevention and maintenance and restoration of health of all our client. We must be prioritize the primary function, which is to deliver a quality of care to all individuals coming from all walks of life, considering that the service is committed and devotion to God. And we must be able to adequately prepared and necessary knowledge and skills, a competitive spirit and well-rounded personality in order to serve the dynamic society efficiently. And of course, we should be guided with our noble intention to uphold our nursing profession, to exhibit a high quality ethical standard, and to function appropriately towards the fulfillment of our hospital mission and goals. Our objectives here is to establish standard care to our patients, provide continued professional development opportunity to all our personnels, thereby allowing our employee to attain his potential in providing the quality care for our patients. Promote and utilize research in nursing practice to report and utilize clinical findings to appropriate up-to-date evidence-based practice. Gone are the days that our practice now in nursing is always based on evidence-based practice. Coordinate to other departments within our institution in any immediate long-term goals, because we are not the sole of we are not the sole department in this institution. We have a lot of departments we would help us in achieving our goals, which is the safety and improvement of our patients. Let's talk about now the general policies for you to the students. We are here to provide secure learning environment at the Tri-City Medical Center. That's why we are not going to allow you to go out of our institution unless it is done, you're done already with your duty. We are ensured to the highest level of care while prioritizing patient safety. As we all know, we are in the private institution. Even if we're still studying, we have to be to prioritize patient safety. We have set a lot of things to maintain this and prioritizing this patient safety. To permit the attendance sa permission of student-specified activities in the affiliation programs. Actually, yung batch na very lucky because we have upcoming a series of lectures and programs for the upcoming Nurses Week on October 23 to 27, if I'm not mistaken. That is the Nurses Week. To develop a professional and well-rounded nurse that will be part of our nursery and care programs, collaborate with different colleges and universities. So that's why we are partnering with different schools, because we would like to have you in our institution. As in fact, most of our new nurses, para mga 50% of our new nurses are the product of Our Lady of Fatima QC. So masayang-masaya ang management sa partnership namin with Our Lady of Fatima. So we were here to set the number of students conform with the standards of DOH and the CHED. So we will just abide kung gaano lang kadami yung students and per CI na ratio. Of course, nursing students are not substitute for any clinical workers in our setting. So hindi po namin kayo pagtatrabahuin nung parang kayo na po talaga yung nurse namin. Of course, the Fatima, the school is responsible for your academic ability. We're here now to to practice and to to apply all your learnings from your schools to actual practice to our patients. Okay na yan. So, importante ito, 1 to 6 lang per OR and DR. 12 to, up to 12 students doon sa general nursing. Okay. What is this? Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's go now to your responsibilities. Students may, with some exceptions, perform procedures and treatment that are commensurate with their level of education and skills acquisitions. Students are not permitted to engage the following: serving as witness, accepting commands over phone and verbally. So, in terms of you are third year, siguro I guess you are more likely to have more nursing skills ang ine-expect namin coming from you. You should be able to abide the policy and guidelines set by our institution pertaining to these affiliations. And again, students are not allowed to go out the Tri-City Medical Center unless it's the end of their duty. We will provide you a logbook on the entrance, employee's entrance, or dun sa lobby for your log in and log out. Ito yung importante. Students are required to submit only the vaccination card and negative COVID antigen test on the day of their duty, the first day of duty. So on your first day of duty, you are required to submit yourself to test for antigen sa laboratory. Doon lang po sa amin, yung only the results coming from our institution lang po yung tinatanggap namin. That's only 600 pesos. So this is the beginning of our partnership with Our Lady of Fatima during the peak of the pandemic. This is, if I'm not mistaken, 2020, early 2021 or 2022. So this is the previous pictures of all the groups. So we are lucky to have a very supportive medical team from inside the operating room. They were given a chance to allow our students to assist and even do invasive procedures such as intubation like this. This is one of our surgeons. Daw niya intubate yung isa naming students, of course, with his supervision. Airway clearance. So most of these are already registered nurses. This is the president of the institution, Dr. Omar Ramos, one of the owner. Yan. Skin closure sila nung student nurse namin. Nurse na namin ito. From student, biglang nurse na namin siya. So, we are very lucky nga to our consultant because right after the surgery, talaga nagbibigay rin ng small lecture on ano yung naging procedure no sa patient. Okay? So, let's all watch this. Mute ko na lang. Nakikita nyo pa rin ba?
Yes, Doc.
Yes, Doc.
Please type on this chat box what procedure are we doing. Kung alam nyo. So ano? Anong procedure? Ah, that is bilateral tubal ligation. Walang tumama, yung huli lang si Tolentino. Okay. So, what are your things to bring sa general nursing unit? Can you please write it down? All your basic paraphernalia for vital signs. Wala po dapat manghihiram ng pang vital signs. Pulse oximeter, ayan na, sinabi niya na. O, ayan, lahat yan. Sige, isa-isahin mo. Stethoscope, alcohol, clean gloves, yan. Micropore correct. What else? Sterile gloves. Pwede din, sige. Thermometer, correct. What else? Tickler, cotton balls, correct. Pen light, correct. Pulse oximeter, as I mentioned. Meron mga pulse oximeter sa Shopee, sa Lazada na tigto 200. It's not accurate. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Baka kasi hirap na yung patient nyo or mismo yung relative nyo nag-normal pa dun sa pulse ox nyo. Okay? No need for the disposable gown. Surgical scissors, yes. I'll be sending to Miss Ma'am Cecil the attendance nito kasi nagsasend sa akin ang attendance Google Meet. Ballpen, of course. Tongue depressor, yes. So we're done with the general nursing unit. How about for the operating room? Ano mga dadalhin? Paano pag yung namelate na wala? Magpagawa ka ng bago. Sterile gloves, correct. Appropriate to your size. Scrub suit, lab gown, correct. No need for gauze. Face mask. And your disposable OR cap. Disposable OR cap. Hindi ko po kasi pinapayagan sa Tri-City yung kulay green na parang sombrero. Kasi po feeling ko para kayong baker. Or para kayong chef sa romantic baboy. Yes, Bufan cap is the disposable gown, disposable cap. You need to have your OR shoes. The prescribed OR shoes of the Our Lady of Fatima. Hindi nyo pa muna siya isusuotin ha. Dadali lang siya doon at isusuot nyo na pag nasa operating room na kayo. How about is your uniform, your white uniform ang dadalhin ninyo, tapos makapalit kayo ng OR gown sa loob. Your OR gown, scrub suit sa loob. Your green scrub suit. What else? Meron kayong questions. Paano kung sa Tri-City? Mag-grab. Hindi. From, ano kayo, di ba? Kung mag-MR kayo or sa Robinson's galing ka, no need for short chopper. Kahit tayo na mas, wala naman in particular na mas. But 6 days ba nila, ma'am?
Hindi po siya 6 days, guys. It's just 3 days and 12 days po kayo. Sorry, 12 hours. 12 hours for 3 days. Hindi kayo 8 hours. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. kayo.
12 hours duty for 3 days only.
Yes.
Si Ren, nalinig kasi niya ng 12 hours.
Yung iba kasi dyan, since medyo hindi nila malalayo sa kanila yung Tri-City, nagre-relate sila dyan sa hospital.
Okay. Gusto nila staycation.
Ward.
Do you have to? Yeah, we're park area naman. So, maybe first come, first serve yan. Of course, long sleep. May questions pa? From Robinson's Galleria, may sakayan na ba kang SMEs or Gazas or any papunta ng Rosario? From Rosario, sakay ko ng jeep doon going kay ICE. Alam ko na April kayo pa naka-duty. Sa ward. Yes. Prescribed duty uniform. Naka-April yun. COVID, can you please provide me the xerox of your COVID vaccination and of course the result of your antigen. Ang lab ko to remove yan sa OR. May tanong pa po. Okay na po yan. May pairs lang 5-10. No need po ba something about OR gown? But OR gown? No need. We will provide you the OR gown. Mayaman kami. Nursing cap. Saan ka ba nag-duty? Ang nursing cap sa duty yan ng ward kailangan. As far as I remember, Ma'am Cecil, third year na sila, dapat kompleto na sila ng Hep B vaccine, right?
Yes po, dapat po. That was also the reminders that we keep on telling them bago po sila mag-second year or during their second year. So some of them po are, all of them are actually finished their HEPA B. At saka alam ko yung HEPA A din and also the COVID vaccine.
Why are we doing that? Because you are being now exposed to certain bloods. That's not for us naman eh. That is for your safety. Wala naman kami kinuha vaccine na ina-require. HEPA lang. Wala rin po kami hinahanap na analysis, chest x-ray, urinalysis. Hindi naman po kayo mag-a-apply. Hindi naman po yung APE. Student po kayo, hindi po kayo nag-a-apply sa amin as nurse. So, kayong APE po sa amin, libre po yan. Pag nag-apply po sa amin kayong nurse, libre. Saka ang salary po nung later i-discuss ko sa inyo. Gusto nyo mag-nurse sa amin. O magpa-booster ka, required yan. Kaya nga, kailangan ng HEPA A, HEPA B vaccine. Nasasabi lang natin. Pwede siguro yung kung nandito kayo malapit sa Tri-City, night before your duty, kung nandito na kayo, pwede na kayo magpa-antigen para pagdating sa umaga, may results na. Question pa po. Hindi po. Every exposure lang po. What do we mean by that? Every time na pupunta ka sa Tri-City, kung ang duty mo, schedule mo is 3 days, yun na po yun. Yun na po yung antigen na kailangan mo for 3 days na yun. 600 po yung antigen, correct? That is a discounted price. Sasabihin nyo lang po antigen test po for students. Ma'am, do we have, di ba meron tayo what kind of OR duty shoes kailangan? Yung parang, anong brand yun? Yung walang butas. Duralite ba yung tawag doon, if I'm not mistaken? Bakit may 2:30 to 10 na schedule ang masusunod? Wala po kaming schedule na 2 to 10. 60.
Again po, paulit-ulit naman tayo guys. 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. po ang schedule sa Tri-City. 3 days, duty po, 12 hours per shift.
Baka sa isang ospital po siguro yung ano, no? Sa ibang ospital po yung 2 to 10. Easy sock, yan. Yung mga ganyan. Sa Tri-City lang po yung antigen. Again, we are only accepting antigen tests which is done in our laboratory department. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you po. If you don't have any questions, thank you very much for coming, for listening to us. I hope to see you very soon. We will try to make your learning exposure with us as fun as possible. And we'll try to give you bawal na ka-makeup. Yung pangkasal na makeup bawal. Very light makeup, it's okay. Baka kasi akala ng pasyente ikakasal ka. Tapos eyelashes ka pa. Ma'am, when daw po sila magjo-duty? May schedule na ibibigay siguro sa inyo. Hintayin nyo lang, ipopost ni Ma'am Cecil nyo yan. Okay, if you're planning to stay with us, our rooms is only 1,000 pesos per student per rotation. 3 nights na yon. Very cheap. We will provide you basic needs like may kutsyon, may kumot, wala lang unan. May naka-aircon yung room, may CR. Very decent naman. Per student po yung 1K, correct? 3 nights na po yun. Parang 350 lang per night. Eh, naka-aircon ka naman. Hindi ka pa mamamasahe, mapapagod pa uwi. I will be giving you can message me on my Facebook. Yung full name ko, just search my name, lalabas naman yan. Just before your duty, kailangan nyo lang magsabi na magre-rent kayo ng room. Kasi I'll be checking the availability rin ng mga rooms. Okay, wala pong darating sa Tri-City. Madami kasi kaming rooms, depende. May malalaking room sa kaya ng 8, may kaya ng 7, marami kaming rooms. Hayaan mo, pagdating mo dito, kita, i-room tour. Any question? Most of nakikita kong ginagawa, talagang either may nire-rent silang somewhere na malapit ng mga condo or sa amin. Ganon siyang nangyari. Kasi may mga malalapit na condo sa amin eh. So, I don't know kung Airbnb yung ginagawa nila. Doc, sa dorm po, 5 person, magkano po? Di ba nga po, 1K per student nga po. Before 6, oo, nasa ospital na. Sino ba yung nagtanong na yun? Paano pag na-late? May ano yan? Ano ba yung acceptable natin, ma'am, na late?
Pagka late, 15 minutes can be accepted, but more than 15 minutes, it can be excused or unexcused.
Oo, meron kasi dating na late is 6 hours.
Ay, award. Wala na yon.
Pumasok alas 12. Ayan. So, yun kasi hindi ko na mapatawad, 6 hours na late eh.
True.
Ayan. Yun siguro maintindihan ko kung malakas ang ulan talagang very considerate naman tayo, hindi naman tayo sobrang hindi naman tayo kapatid ni Satanas. Ha? May mumu po ba? For you to experience. Kasi kasi sa Tri-City, sa nursing, evidence-based practice. Pag hindi niyo na-experience, hindi natin malalaman kung totoo. Okay? So, babalitaan niyo na lang kami. Antigen test, pwedeng a day before, pwedeng on that day. Ay, Renaline, kaka-announce ko lang nung listahan kanina ng mga dadalhin. Balikan mo yung chat box. Sabi ko isulat, di ba? Kanina ka pa, ha? Pangalawa mo na yan sa akin.
Students, please take note of the important topics. Kayo naman paulit-ulit ang tanong.
Sir, baka kasi may hindi po kami nabanggit.
Wala na. Sinabi ko na nga lahat eh. Kung hindi ko nabanggit, hindi wala doon. O talaga? Nag-overthink ka na naman. Iwasan mo yan. Ma'am, kailangan daw po ba kompleto yung HEPA vaccine?
Dapat po kompleto na yung HEPA B ninyo. Kung hindi pa kompleto, pakikompleto. What is important is you have the COVID vaccine.
Sana kahit first dose ng HEPA.
Oo, dapat.
Kasi para sa inyo naman yan.
True.
Never pa po kasi ako nag-commute. Sa nagtatanong ilang oras ang biyahe. Pero pag nakasasakyan, 1 hour.
Depende kasi. Itong mga to naman.
1 hour, di ba ma'am, pag nakakotse? Hindi ko
Pag
kasi hindi kasi ako
kami, galing ako San Mateo to Tri-City, inaabot po ng 1 hour, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 15. Depende.
Oo, nakasasakyan. So, pag nag-commute kayo siguro, dahil panahon na tayo ng golden era, so mga 5 hours yan. Mga 2 hours siguro. Hindi ko kasi alam eh. Bawal kayo magreklamo, deserve niyo yan. Oo. Kamusta po yung mga bigas ninyo? Okay pa po ba?
Doc, pwede daw bang pumunta na ng dorm a day before ng kanilang duty?
Pwede, a night before lang. Huwag naman yung a day before. Kasi maaabutan mo pa doon yung previous group. So, a night before. After 6 p.m. kung gusto mo or 5 p.m. nandun ka na. Para pag out nung kayo na agad yung sunod. Pwede daw makita yung true, tatampalin ko to si Albos Jessica eh. Ano akala mo dito, condo? Mayroong viewing, matatampal kita. Paano pag nawala daw yung vaccination card? Sige, magkumuha ka ng affidavit of loss. May free wifi ba sa dorm? Wala. Huwag kang abusado. Yung parking fee, walang walang, parang fixed charge siya. Hindi siya per hour, alam ko. Parang 50 pesos lang. 1K po, paulit-ulit po yung dorm. 1K po per head per 3 nights. Panglimang beses ko na yung sinabi. Fully air-conditioned din po yung, opo, fully air-conditioned din po. Oo. Paglabas mo, para ka ng hotdog na frozen. Yung biyahe po tataging, hindi po kasi ako nagko-commute at hindi rin po ako taxi driver. So, hindi ko rin po alam kung ilang oras yan, kung saan po sa party ng Taguig yan.
Guys, wag nang paulit-ulit ang tanong. Paulit-ulit ang tanong. Yung ibang tanong minsan wala nang sense. Kasama po ba yung tubig? Eh, di ba yung CR kasama? So, may tubig doon. Kasama yun.
Okay ito. Pag naka-motor, 41 yun. Actually, para mahinaman mo kung ilang oras yung biyahe, meron palang Google Maps. I-search mo doon. Opo. Usually yung break time, mga 12, sa 12. Yung 12 p.m., pwede mag-break time yan. Pwede. Pwede po magbaon ng food. Opo. Oo. Kahit rice cooker mo, pwede mong dalhin.
Meron ng grouping. Sisend po sa inyo yung group at saka yung schedule ng duty ninyo.
Oo. Pansit daw kung pwede daw.
Kahit anong klaseng pansit pwede.
Oo. Kayo lang naman na matotoxic. Oo. May lulutuan. Oo. I-duty kita sa canteen kung gusto mo magluto. Silver City. May Silver City. Sa Chedicitas yun, di ba? Mag-grab ka na lang. O ano na, malulobat na yata ko.
Yung 1,000 po, kwarto lang yon. Yung kwarto, huwag kayong maghanap ng kusina.
Saka wala po, ma'am, saka wala pa naman ako nakakitang yung hospital lang pagpasok ko sa admission may kusina.
Kaya nga.
Akala niya yata condo. Oo. Sige na. Paulit-ulit yung kailangan daw ba yung HEPA vaccine? Paulit-ulit naman to. Huwag ka mag-vaccine kung gusto mo. Ulit-ulit ka. Ano daw po yung groupings? Kaulit-ulit ka din. Nanggigigil ako sa'yo. Lupat na ako. Hindi pwedeng lumabas. Bakit ka lalabas sa gabi? Tanod ka ba?
Huwag na! Tapos na yun.
Anong mag-request ng kasama sa kwarto?
Ayan,
Excuse me, magkakagrupo po kayo. Kung sino yung kagrupo nyo, yun lang ang kasama nyo.
Pwede ba magdala ng jowa sa dorm? Sabi daw, mamo, si
Sino yan?
Lisbo Watt.
Sino?
Lisbo ng
O,
26
magkita tayo sa nursing office, ha?
award. Ayan, kala mo ha, nakakatawa yan. Sige, umiyak ka ngayon doon sa nursing office. Ipakiusap po yan kay Mama no, Hisino. Okay ka ha.
Ayusin nyo yung mga tanong, guys, ha?
Wala na. Thank you very much. May question pa ha, wala na. Happy na. Saan banda yung dorm? Sa loob po ng Hospital Loca.
Sa tabi ng morgue.
Kakaloka naman to mga batang to. Nakakatawa kayo, no? Siguro pag na-meet ko kayo sa personal, maluloka kayo sa akin.
Titirisin mo sila, Doc.
Oo. Ayaw ko pala ng 3 T ha. Maiksi lang ang pasensya ko. Ayaw ko ng tatanga-tanga. Pang ilang floor, sir? Award? Hindi ka na sasagutin, baka murahin na kita eh.
Aray.
Mahirap din pala mag face-to-face class, baka manabunot ako eh.
Guys, third year na kayo, ha? Wag maka, attitude na pang senior high school.
Oo nga. Sila ba yung senior high school na lang bato-bato ng mga espuan ng Fatima?
Naima!
Sa nag-trending yun eh. Hinagis-hagis yung upuan ng Fatima.
Ay, hindi naman.
Hindi.
Mga to.
Anong hospital P? Anong sinasabi nito ni Ignacio, ma'am? Singilin ko ba?
Pwede naman, Ignacio, para sa'yo.
Wala. There's no such thing as in hospital fee. Hindi ka naman na-admit. Yung RLAP, binayaran nyo na po yun sa tuition fee. Okay po? Hindi nyo po yun dapat problemahin. Problemahin nyo yung pambayad nyo sa antigen. Oo, magdala ka ng checklist kung ano man yan. Si Raymundo po, opo. Si Raymundo. 269 si Raymundo. Opo. Okay na po. Isesend ko yung... Can you please turn on your camera para screenshot natin sa mga leader.
Ang alam ko, Doc, yung mga hindi naka-attend, may mga student na gumawa ng panibagong link para ma-connect ito at maka-attend yung iba na hindi nakapasok dito. I don't know how they do it. Pero yun
Ganon?
yung ginawa nila. Opo.
Talaga?
Nag-share screen sila. Yung screen nila, itong meeting na to. Hindi ko alam kung possible pala yung ganun eh.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Pareho tayo, Doc. Pero gumawa sila ng panibagong link. Tapos yung link, nag-share screen. Ang share screen nila, etong natin. Etong meeting na to. So, yung iba nakaka-attend na.
Okay. Thank you very much. Oo. May mga question pa ba kayo, mga ate, kuya? Ngayon na. Sabi ng laptop ko, lobat ka na.
Sino pwede po ang mag-screenshot as part of our attendance? Anybody?
From the class president. Si Renalyn na lang, favorite ko. Saka si lagi nagtatanong si Renalyn. Yan. Tatanong yan lagi. Saka yung nagtanong nung pwede mag-jowa ba? Sino to?
200.
Si Espera. Si Mark
Espera.
O, si Lisbo. Espera, mag-ahit ka ha. Hindi yan pa pwede ang ganyang eksena mo.
Opo, Doc.
Pati yung buhok po ha, alam nyo naman kung ano yung proper tsaka hindi dapat.
Opo, may razor po sa Tri-City.
Yung ginagamit nyo sa DR, Doc.
Oo, yung ginagamit namin sa pubic hair, yun din ang ilalagay ko sa patilya nila.
Yan, very good yan. O, si Samantha. Samantha, ikaw na mag-picture.
Parang si Nazareno, naging estudyante ko na to. No?
Yes po, sir. Sa health assessment po.
Bakit ngayon ka lang?
Po?
Nag-stop ka ba?
Hindi po. HA niyo po ako nung
First year.
Oo. Sila yung mga nagreklamo.
Nazareno, ikaw ang mag-screenshot. Bakit?
ma'am, hindi po kuha lahat. Like, lahat.
Okay lang yan. May attendance naman ipo-forward ko kay ma'am yung list ng attendance. Meron tong pino-provide na attendance after eh.
Okay po.
Yung iba naka-uniform, yung iba hindi Fairness sa inyo
Okay. Si-screenshot ko na po.
Okay lang.
Apo. Screenshot ko na po.
Asan yung Lisbo? Gusto ko makita yung Lisbo gusto magdala ng jowa eh. Lisbo? Magsalita ka. Hindi ka magsalita, ibabagsak kita sa RLE. Espera, asan si Lisbo? Kilala mo ba yon?
Hindi ko po kanila, Doc.
Sir, nag-iingay sa GC namin, sir.
Ano daw? Nandyan pa siya, Lisbo. Sasagot ka ba o ibabagsak kita?
Dok, maulan po. Mahina po yung net namin, Dok.
Nasaan ka?
Dito po.
Open your camera. Nasaan ang camera mo? Sino bang jowa ang dadalin mo? Si Nazareno ba?
Hindi po, sir.
Okay.
Okay lang kami, Dok.
Loki. Malalaman kaya kung sino jowa mo. Tandaan mo yan,
Lahat nalalaman ni Doc RB.
Oo.
Kaya mag-ingat kayo.
Okay. Sige, I hope, o pati yung si Ropueso, parang naging estudyante ko din yan before. Di ko matandaan kung sa HA din.
Baka
I'm
sila, Doc, yung mga
happy
naging estudyante mo nung first year kasi third year na sila ngayon.
Ah,
Unless may
oo,
mga
diba? Sabi ko,
natapilok.
di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, hindi kami matatanggal eh.
Dok, hindi po kami nagreklamo.
Hindi na. Mabait naman tayo, di ba? Sige.
Yes po.
Siya. Sige.
Okay, Doc. Yun na po. Tapos na po.
Salamat po. Thank you very much for attending. See you all sa Tri-City Medical Center. Bye. God bless
Thank
us
you
all.
so much, Doc RB.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Happy birthday, Wyatt.
Thank you for everything.
Thank you po.